Hi, 5th standard students, welcome back. We are now in second lesson of mathematics. Lesson name Shapes and Angles. Shapes and angles, in which we just start with the shapes as well as what is the definition of an angle. This class we will go in some more detailed way regarding angles. Okay. We use protractor to measure an angle. We use the instrument. In our instrument box, geometry box, there is an instrument which is protractor to measure an angle. The measure of an angle is the unit of an angle, which is degree. Degree is the unit of an angle. So for 4th standard we learned how to draw an angle. Okay. So this year once again I will tell you how to draw an angle. What are the categories, classification of angles. The instrument protractor is used to measure an angle, we discussed. And what is the shape of a protractor? How to do a protractor angle construction. That's what we are using. So this is the rough sketch of a protractor. You can take in your hand your instrument box. One of the instrument has this shape. This is known as protractor. Last year one question came in I think first or second exam. The instrument used to measure an angle, which is protractor. One word only. Protractor, when we are considering protractor, this is the shape. So this particular line, this is the baseline of the protractor. So simple way, I am directly moving to the angle construction. If we need to construct an angle whose measure is 90 degree, why 90 I am telling first itself, reason is there. I will tell you after this. Automatically we will be keeping this instrument as it is, then draw a ray. We know one ray is the arm, one of the arm we have constructed, and 90 degree angle we are constructing means on this particular end point of the ray exactly we are keeping the protractor. So from here, wherever is coming that 90 degree position, there you will be marking a dot. First I told you, this is what now our figure, 90 degree angles, one of the arm, this one, this is what now we constructed. Next, directly we are moving where on the instrument protractor, where is 90 degree coming, there we will be keeping a dot. So connect this dot towards O. That is what is 90 degree angle. So this is 90 degree. How to write 90 degree? This is 90 degree angle. Related to the angle, the classification, the differentiation of these angles are going. Before that, we must know all the angles classification will be based on this 90 degree angle. That is why first itself I taught you how to construct 90 degree angle. 90 degree angle is known as right angle. What is the name of this angle? Right angle. Right angle is this. And if we need to give the name for this angle, AOB. AOB is this angle. We will denote using angle AOB. So this is the symbolic representation of the word angle. Angle AOB is this particular angle. Angle AOB. And once again the previous knowledge we are sharing. OA and OB. OA and OB are the arms of this right angle. This right angle name is angle AOB, whose measure is 90 degree. And angle AOB's both the arms are starting with the common end point O here as well as here. OA and OB are arms. And the point O is known as vertex. What it is? Vertex of the angle. Okay. So every time the vertex will be making exact angle. So this point O is the angle point. This is known as vertex 90 degree. So we studied how to construct 90 degree angle. Whether the angle is given, if it is right angle, how to measure also. Okay. Then that is the 90 degree angle construction. What about angles measure whether needed below 90? Below 90 in the sense 80, 70, 60 or in between that 75, 65. Those angles how can we construct? That is what the next point I am giving. As it is, first we will be drawing the ray, this like. Now suppose we are going to draw 60 degree angle means where is 60 coming? This is 60 degree. So 60 degree angle position we will mark a dot and connect this. This is what is 60 degree angle. This angle measurement is 60 degree. Okay. So 60 degree angle. Again we can have the name BOC or any names can be given by us. Suppose why teacher is always discussing below 90 angles? How can we construct above 90 degree angle? See, same way we will be constructing, but that time we will be considering. So there are two scales. I am not going the detailed way, inner scale, outer scale like that. Now you keep in mind 90 degrees base arms are this as well as this. Below 90 angles will be marking this side and above 90 will be coming this side. That you imagine now and do through practice will be getting more idea. And here it is 90 after surely 100, 110, right? 120, 130. This is the way it is coming. And finally here it will be what? 180 degree you can see. This straight line position you will be seeing 180 degree. And how to construct above 90 degree angle? So we need 120 degree angle construction. We have to construct 120 degree angle. So how can we do? That's what my explanation. As it is, we will be drawing this like arm, same way. Next 120 position we will be marking a dot. Now this particular O we will be connecting towards 120. This is the 120 degree angle. See. So this angle measure is already 60 is with us. You just forget it 60 about. All that we completed. Now we are in 120 degree angle. 120 degree angle. This in their angle measure is 120 degree. So I think you have learned now little bit how to do the construction of 90 degree, below 90 and above 90. Okay. Yes. Now in between the measures how we will do that also please tell. Please here observe. 80 and 70 is middle, which is how much? this 90 and 80 is middle, which is 85. Then only this is starting from here 10, 20, 30 like that. So why this after 85? So this after 75. So this after 65. This is the way. So like that you can connect. Okay. Once again I will give you this correct idea through demonstration. I will try to give you. Okay. So now we studied how to construct different angles. Okay, so by this we will be concluding today's session and we will give practice to do the construction of different types of angles.